We're looking at positive versus negative slope. So we're finding slope. Let's pick a couple points on the line. And our slope is, our rise, of course, is slope is rise over run. We go up 2, forward 2. So we have our up 2, right 2, 2 over 2. And that equals 1. We have in this line, the second one, here's our points. We have our rise is down 4, forward 1, 2, 3. So we have negative 4 over 3, which is negative 4/3. So the third line, let's plot some points, pick some points on this line. And our rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, and our run is 1, 2, 3. So we have 4/3. And the last, look at some points, we have down to forward 4. So we have negative 2 over 4, which of course reduces to be negative 1/2. We express slope in a fractional form in lowest terms. We can see here that uphill is a positive slope. Downhill, so like if you're walking across this grid and following the line from left to right, you can see you're have to walk uphill on the line, and that's a positive slope. Here it's a positive slope. And downhill, like these two over on the right side, they are negative slopes. So what if we're looking at horizontal and vertical lines? If we're looking at horizontal and vertical lines, you see here when we're counting the rise, there is no rise. So it's 0 over whatever the run would be. And 0 divided by anything is just going to give us 0. So that's no slope or 0 slope. The same as the one here on the left side and the bottom. We have 0 rise, and our run, of course, goes on. So we have 0 over our run, and that would just give us, because 0 divided by any number is going to give us 0, or 0 slope. On the other hand, on the right side of the page here, we have some vertical lines, and we have a rise, but we're not going left or right. So we have our rise over 0, which when we divide by by 0, we get an undefined number. So we say this slope is undefined, an undefined slope. The same with the one here. We have we have rise, but we have 0 for the run. So when we have any rise over 0 run, we can't divide by 0. We can't have 0 in the denominator of a fraction. So that gives us an undefined slope. When you look at a line, you can see if it's uphill or it goes upward towards the right, we have a positive slope. Downhill, or if it goes down towards the right, is negative slope. Horizontal lines always have 0 slope or no slope. Okay? And vertical lines are undefined because there is no run.